In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use 7pace Timetracker for Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive in. The first step is to log in to your Monday.com account. Make sure that you're in the correct workspace for your project. This is crucial because you want to ensure you access the right boards and items associated with your work. Once you're signed in, you'll be ready to proceed. Next, let's access the marketplace. You can find it easily from the side menu of your Monday.com dashboard. The marketplace is a treasure trove of applications and integrations that can enhance your project management experience, so it's definitely a place you want to get familiar with. Now it's time to install the app. In the search bar, type 7pace Timetracker. This is a powerful tool that helps you keep track of time spent on tasks throughout your projects. Once you locate it, go ahead and click the Install button. It's a straightforward process, and before you know it, you'll have the app ready to use. After installation, you'll need to authorize the connection. This step is essential because it allows 7pace to access your data on Monday.com. Authorizing this connection ensures that 7pace can sync and communicate effectively with your boards and tasks, allowing for seamless time tracking. The next phase is to add the time tracker to your project board or specific item. To do this, simply navigate to your project board. There, click on the plus icon to add view to the board, or you can choose to add to item directly from the Items, Updates, or Apps section. This action makes the time tracker visible exactly where you need it, ensuring you can start tracking time without any hassle. Now let's configure the scope of your time tracking. This means you need to decide on which specific boards or items require time tracking. This tailoring is incredibly useful to streamline the tool according to your unique project needs. Make sure to think through what you're tracking, as it will help you gather relevant insights into your workflow. Once you have everything set up, you can finally start tracking your time. Simply select the task you are working on. The 7pace Timetracker interface is user-friendly. Here, you will find options to start, stop, or even manually log time directly within your task. This flexibility allows you to easily manage how you're logging your time, whether you prefer to start and stop as you work or enter the time afterwards. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effectively using 7pace Timetracker on Monday.com, helping you to manage your projects more efficiently and gain valuable insights into how your time is spent. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking!